All right, y'all, this is Jacob with Chris Smith's office. We're looking at 3143 Laurel Street, offered at $725,000. 3 beds, 3 baths, about 2,671 square feet, so it's big. And we're over here, very close to Magazine Street. It's really an excellent location. I'm just showing you the exterior of the house because it's kind of interesting. It's almost like 2 houses together in terms of the floor plan. It was originally a double, that's for sure. And as we walk through, I'll kind of show you what we're seeing. It's Iris Channel, so this is a great location just off Magazine and very close to Louisiana Avenue. We've got off-street parking. That's what I showed you back there. All the siding looks to be new, hardy plank exterior siding. We still got these nice original windows on the front. I'll take us inside. Super high ceilings in here. Truly a sweet kitchen. Maybe my favorite part of the house. Those custom cabinets that go all the way up to the ceiling. Super deluxe appliances. I love the countertop choice and the backsplash with the brushed gold. You can see the dishwasher, nice deep sink. This is a serious range oven. That double oven, 6 burners, the griddle, which is just like shining. You can see the reflection there. There I am, mask up. And then we've got this nice refrigerator, 2 doors. It's got the like special kind of setup, pretty cool. Then you've got this front room. It's a great house for entertaining. I love the big formal rooms here. So we've got all this space here in the front. And then I'll show you to our right. This is our first bedroom. And it's got a full bath with a double vanity, enclosed shower. I like the glass enclosure instead of having a shower curtain. Again, the ceilings are super duper high. And here, through this way, we've got laundry. Nice laundry room. I like the size of this laundry room. It has enough room for you to have some storage. It's really quite necessary. Come back here, and another beautiful full bathroom. Again, I love the glass shower enclosure. And then back here, we've got our backyard. Could be used as parking. I haven't had any issues parking in this area, maybe because we're in COVID times right now and commercial isn't as bustling as usual. And I'd want part of this at least to be a back courtyard, a little bit of green space. But there is your parking gate here, and it just kind of depends how you want to outfit this. And also I want to step back here and show you what I was talking about how it almost feels like it's 2 houses. It's like you have this section here, this nice walkway. It's really a cool house because it's got this blend of renovated, brand new, and historic. I like this tile choice too. Now I'll show you the primary suite. This is the best part. It's just a little storage. You go down this hallway and you enter the master suite, the primary suite. Big closet, huge primary bathroom. Look at the size of that shower. It's like big enough for 4 or 5 people. Then you've got nice double vanity. Cool water fixtures in here. And the same with the tub. It's a beautiful tub. And then more storage back here, so almost more closet space. This bathroom is beautiful. Huge mirror. Okay, then we come through here. This is the primary suite. A little bit more storage. And then, you may have noticed, we've got stairs in our primary suite that bring us upstairs. So this up here could be an office, it could be more storage, it could be a sitting room in your master. I also like the idea of this just being like a huge built out closet up here / dressing room for someone who really has a lot of clothes and likes to get dressed up. There is another closet up here as well. Here you can see the attic. We've got our insulation, all the HVAC stuff looks good. Okay. So this is the primary suite, and it really is impressive. I mean, 20-foot tall ceilings. Okay. So now I'll take us upstairs. Most of the house is downstairs, but you've got that loft in the primary suite. And then up here, you have another flex space. This could be a playroom for kids. It could be an office again. It could be another bedroom or a guest bedroom up here. We've got tons of storage built in. You can see that the attic is decked. And then through here, we also have more storage. These are built out as closets. And here's this private bedroom right here. See, it's got a small closet. And these would use that floating bathroom that's downstairs. If you saw, there was one bathroom that wasn't in a bedroom, and that would be used if you were using this as a bedroom. Again, this is 3143 Laurel Street. It's offered at $725,000. 3 beds, 3 baths, almost 2,700 square feet, and it is available now. And folks, this one won't last long. We've had tons of showing activity, and the way the market's going, being so hot, I'm sure that we'll have this under contract shortly in the red hot Iris channel. Thank you for watching. This has been Jacob with Chris Smith's office, signing off.